What's up guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be going on a small little trail that we found. We're going to be in the Titan, the Tahoe, and the Xterra. This trip is going to be two videos. The first video will be the traction boards, which is going to be a totally different video. And then the rest of this video is going to be just enjoying the trail. So hopefully I can get cool little shots and people will like the shots. But yeah, so I'm gonna test out these. Well, we're gonna air down these KO2s right now and then hit the trail. I wish it said the name of the trail, but no, it doesn't. And that one just says no campfires. So yeah. All right, guys, let's go. So, this trail is a lot rockier this time than it was like 3 weeks ago. Wow. So I have the GoPro camera on the outside, which I'll show you right here, and my cell phone, which is in the back, which you can kind of see right there. So, Jesus, I'm only going 10 miles per hour, and there's no rocks right now on this part, but just the dips. Oh my God, it's fun. I am going to be changing up the camera angles, so we'll get better footage of everything. So hopefully it comes together perfect. Right now we're at a turn, left and right. So I'm gonna go right, because that's what my buddy said, stay right. Make this turn. Look at all this graffiti. It's not beautiful at all. So Timmy said that he wants to come up this hill. I climbed it right now because there's some bottom out parts right here. I walked up it too. It was a mission. But I'm worried about this hole and this one right here. Let's see. That was nice. You hit the GoPro though, but still. Yeah, it's all right, dude. That was awesome.
You can smell the rubber.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That was dope. Do you want to go further up so I can try? Or
do you want to try?
How are you gonna get down? Back the same way?
I'll just go. Let me go down.
Or do you think it comes out somewhere?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Okay.
Let me just go back.
Reverse or forward?
No, I'm gonna go forward.
Okay. Our car's right there. That was dope. I don't think I'm gonna try it on mine. I don't have a lift yet. Tim has a 2-inch lift on his.
You're gonna guide me.
So I'm guiding him. Perfect. Oh, yeah, I'm all good. I stepped in the hole, guys, and I fell down. One second. All right. Oh, just for YouTube, guys, my leg hurts bad. I ate it. I'm gonna keep that in the video, but my God. That was dope. Overall, this was a good trip. It was fun. Hot, getting hot. Amazing tires, amazing truck. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I need weather mats. Like, I know because I fell. Look at this. I fell and my butt got dusty, but I want to get some all-weather mats and seat covers. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.